All right, so our next video is evaluating algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is an expression that may contain number operations or one or more symbols. A symbol that represents one or more numbers is called a variable. To evaluate an algebraic expression, substitute a number of variables for each variable, then use the order of operations to find the value of the numerical expression. So it says here are my examples, substituting it in when x is 3. So when x is 3, you plug it in. All right, so 5x plus 7, that would now be 5 times 3 plus 7, which is 15 plus 7, which is 22. 14 minus x squared. Remember, whenever you do this, all right, I don't really like this example here. You got to do 14 minus parentheses 3 and then the squares on the outside. That is your best way to write this, so that way you do not end up getting this stuff wrong, because then you square the 3, which is 3 times 3, which is 9, so it's minus the parentheses 9, which is 14 minus 9, which is, of course, the 5. Okay, this is a cleaner way to do this. Same thing here. See how they have it in parentheses here, but they don't have it in parentheses here. See, doesn't make sense. All right, so 2x squared minus 8x plus 4 is actually 2 times 3 squared minus 8 times 3 plus 4. See, they do it here, but they don't do it here. There needs to be there. Okay. All right. Some other examples. This one is now giving you an x and a y. So simply plugging these in for both of them. All right, making sure you do your order of operations. So the 5 examples they give here are actually really, really good. Okay, but we'll go through and we'll do some of these. All right, let's see. Let's start off with number 1. Number 1 is 3 times 2 plus 10, and that is 16. Excuse me. Yeah, that's 16, because that would be 6 plus 10. Sorry, I got ahead of myself. All right. Let's drop down and let's do number 6. Negative 3 parentheses 2 squared minus 2 plus 7 is negative 3 times 4. Negative 2, that's a minus 2, plus 7, that's 5. So that'd be plus 5. So this is negative 12 plus 5, which is a negative 7, which is a negative 7. All right, let's drop down and do one of these here. Let's do 9, right? That is 2. Ooh, I don't know what that did. 2 times 2 plus 3 times negative 3. That would be 4 plus negative 9, which is a negative 5. And then this is going to be 2 squared, negative 3 squared, plus 2 negative 3. So that is a 4. That is times 9, plus 2 times negative 3 is a negative 6. So that is 4 times 9, which is 36, minus 6. So that would be minus 6, which is 30. All right, this is wanting you just to do the same thing. This table here, you're just doing the same thing, but you're just plugging it in, right? So you have 3 times 0 minus 2, so the answer is negative 2. right? You're just plugging in your values, right? So you would say -4 times 0 plus 1. Well, that's 1. Just plugging that in. All right. And this is evaluating algebraic expressions. This is evaluating algebraic expressions. Our next video will be simplifying algebraic expressions.